Hello, this is Casey from Casey Grandpa Tech with another exciting how-to video. Today I'm going to talk to you about remotes and the Amazon Fire Stick. If you're like me, and you're a grandpa, you had the grandkids over, and suddenly that little Amazon remote control disappeared. And you've looked everywhere with it, and now you're saying, I either have to replace the Amazon Fire Stick, or I got to buy a remote. Well, why not upgrade it? This project's going to be about upgrading your Amazon Fire Stick to allow you to use it like an Android device, plugging in various remote controls, memory cards, things like that. So, before we get started, please hit that like button. It helps my Amazon Analytics and allows the video to be promoted so that you can be seeing it more. And if you like the content, please like, share, and subscribe, and hit that little bell so you know when I'm on. So, one of the first things you're going to need, okay, is a remote control. Now, I've chosen for this project the wechip remote control. And the reason I've chosen it is that it also has a query pad in the back. And this wireless mouse, so when you move it up and down, it'll be going back and forth. Now, the reason I've chosen the Wii Stick is because it has a query keyboard in the back. And it can replace your mouse, a keyboard, remote control, and your even a game controller, all in one unit. The other thing you're going to need, of course, is a device to be able to connect these devices to it. And we've chosen the AuviPal unit. And the reason, again, is because it has 3 USB sockets. And it's very simple to connect. You just plug it into where your power supply connected. It connects to your Amazon Fire Stick and the other end into the actual Fire Stick power supply. With that, you'll be able to connect multiple of the devices, including this keyboard, USB Fire Sticks, USB memory cards, a hard drive, all bunch of different things that you'll be able to connect to this, and just bring the accessibility up another level. And that's what makes this so unique. You'll be able to do much more than you even before. And if on some occasion that you also happen to notice that your Fire Stick keeps dropping out because you're too far away from your router, or you're getting a lot of collisions and you're dropping off, you'll be able to connect a USB internet cable converter to it, and then you'll have a direct hard wire. Let's go on further. So, right here I have my Fire Stick and the WePal with the 3 connectors, and you can see in the back here is where you're plugging in your power supply. I'll be plugging that back up on my TV set. Wish I could show you some more. But basically, there's my receiver for my wireless mouse keyboard. And then I have 2 more ports, which I can be using. Like I said, I could plug in a USB into it, or a hard drive, or something like that, to be able to expand my use of this unit. Now I'm going to go plug it in, and let's see how it works. Now I plugged my adapter in with the Wii, and I have my remote, and I'm going to put that in front of the camera so you can see it. And if I select OK, I'm able to use my remote control without any issues. Now, the last thing... So I'm excited this project worked out well. You know, like I said, those little Fire Sticks are too small and too easy to lose. And one thing I hate about them all is that they're black. And because when they fall somewhere, because they're black, they disappear. Like any of these remotes. I wish manufacturers would make them in a color like red or green or something, or put a light on them that you could find them, but they didn't. So this project, basically, again, what we did is we replaced our remote, added a query keyboard, added an expansion connector to the Fire Stick, which has 3 USB 3.0 connectors. One of them we used with the wireless connector that allowed us to connect that to it. And now we have two more USB connectors, which we can connect again, a wide variety of things, such as a USB to LAN connector, which allows you to hardwire the Fire Stick to your network, or a hard drive, or a USB to ST converter. There's a multitude of items that you'll be able to do with this. In fact, you might even be able to run, in some instances, games that you've downloaded to your to a memory stick and play them on the Fire Stick. Again, you'll have to experiment with that. This video doesn't expand that far. Now, the last thing, as of this date, Amazon has upgraded the firmware and is upgrading the firmware on all levels of the Fire Stick, levels 1 through 4 as of this time, and the 4K got an upgrade. And these upgrades add accessibility, make things easier to find things, add functionality. So you can do that by going into the settings on your Fire Stick, finding upgrade, and then select upgrade and run that. I hope this has been helpful for you. This is Casey from Casey Grandpa Tech out. Again, please hit the like button. The more likes I get, the more the videos are promoted, and that helps to grow the channel. Also, consider being a subscriber to the channel and hitting the little ring bell. And lastly, please comment. If you got something, if you think this video was good or I could have done something better, put it in there. If you have any suggestions for other videos I could do, please put it on the comment section. I always look forward to hearing from my audience. And until next time, this is Casey from Casey Grandpa Tech out.